foodie, this is me again, Patty Kim. Tonight I am going to show you how I make my husband's favorite meal. It's very easy too. So this is what we call chicken with cucumber salad. So I'm gonna show you this one because this is easy to make. This is my husband's favorite because he loves chicken. So I'm thinking that maybe your family would love it too. And when you're like rushing and you know don't have so much time and you want to cook something quick, then this is the recipe that's best for you. So I'll show you now how to cook my chicken with cucumber salad. Okay, so we will need 1.5 pounds of chicken, and this is breast, and it's thinly sliced, and a Goya Adobo all-purpose seasoning. I use this because I like this. It has turmeric and other seasoning there, but no monosodium glutamate. So we're gonna use like 1 teaspoon of that, 1 teaspoon of chicken grilling blend, Mrs. Dash, 1 teaspoon of paprika, sweet paprika. And this is going to be my salad. Oh yes, we're going to use 2 tablespoons of butter. And for my salad, I'm just going to use very simple onion, 1 small onion, half cup of grape tomato, and cucumber. So the first thing I'm gonna do is to show you, I'm going to season first my chicken. This we have to put the 1 teaspoon of this sweet pepper, 1 teaspoon of this Mrs. Dash grilling chicken or chicken grilling blend, and teaspoon of this too. Ooh. Actually, I will only put like a half teaspoon there because some fell over already. But if you don't want it to be really salty, don't put a lot of that adobo Goya because this is salt, very salty. So you just rub it. Make sure that everything has got a little bit of the seasoning. So you know what, I have been having this memory gap. I forgot to mention that we need also to put I need to put at least 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Yeah. And then mix it again. Make sure rub it to all the meat, to the chicken. Make sure that everything, all chicken has it, so it will absorb, so later it's going to be so tasty and it's good. There you go. I think they're all mixed evenly. So now we're going to cook it. So this is a non-stick pan. You put has to be medium heat or medium fire. Put this melt this 2 tablespoons of butter. Yeah, there you go. You simply put each chicken. So I will leave it cooking, with a medium heat here. I'll leave it cooking for like 5 minutes, okay? 5 minutes on that side, and then another 5 minutes. I want my chicken really cook, because if you eat the raw chicken, it's not safe, it's not good. So we make sure that our chicken is really cooked. So 5 minutes on each side. If it's not done yet, sometimes because of the cut, so I will add another minute. Okay, so we'll wait. So while waiting for the chicken to cook, I'm going to prepare the cucumber salad. Okay, so what I have to do is just first cut the cucumber into cubes. See, just like that. Put it in a bowl, all of them. All of this cube, diced cucumber, and then we have to do the same thing because these grape tomatoes are so tiny, so I'll just cut them in the half. You can also use a beefsteak tomato or plum tomatoes, and then you can just dice them. But this one, I'll just, because they're so tiny, I'm just cut them in the half like that. Okay? Simple as that. They're all cut up. And then now, I'm gonna cut the onion, the red onion. To cut into tiny cubes. Go. And put them all in the bowl. Now we just add pepper. Just a dash of pepper, not so much. And salt. Just salt to taste, not so much also, you don't want it too salty. And then that's it. You just mix it. And this is the cucumber salad. And my husband loves it so much. He loves it paired with my chicken. Okay, my chicken is ready for them. There you go. Look how beautiful it is. So we're flipping it over so the other side will be cooked as well. So we wait for another 5 more minutes. Again, that's 5 minutes. So if you want to cook more, like 6 more, make it 6 minutes. And then let's just wait. Wow, my chicken looks good. Perfect. So it's cooked. And now I'm just going to put it on a nice plate. So that's the chicken. And then let's put the salad on the side. Look how colorful the cucumber salad, the red onion and cherry tomatoes. This is it. So there you go, folks. My seared chicken with cucumber salad. Easy to make. So I hope you like my easy recipe for today. Seared chicken with cucumber salad. So easy to make and so healthy as well. So I hope you like this and I hope you will try it. Cook it, because for sure your family or your loved ones would love it too. So please subscribe my YouTube channel, like it, comment, and ring the bell. My YouTube channel is Patty Kim. Kim is all capital letters, K-I-M. And also follow my Instagram page at pattykim_canitaste. Thank you foodies for watching. I hope you have a good time or wonderful day, I should say. Bye. Yum, yum, yum.